Guys, I had to jump on this one. I'm such a foodie, and my friend invited me over to her house one day to have some tiramisu, and because I'm on the low carb diet, I thought to myself, Elizabeth, no, you can't do this. Elizabeth, no, you can't do this, and I did it. So based on that, I decided, look, I love tiramisu. Let's find out how we can do it low carb. This is what we're doing today. Hope you enjoy it. Click, like, subscribe. So here you see me emptying the double whipping cream into the bowl. And whisking it. Whisking it till it gets to the right consistency. Once I'm done with it, I turn it around and just checking that it's the right consistency, and I move on to the mascarpone. These ingredients I used: double whipping cream, mascarpone, and sweetener, and some vanilla essence, and it's pretty much straightforward. I didn't use lady fingers. I actually used keto bread that I made. I just thought that it would go well, and it did. So here I am mixing up the mascarpone. It's a bit of a mess, but that's okay. Actually not sweet enough, so I added a bit more sweetener, so you guys can add as much sweetener as you like. And once I was done with this, I then proceeded to dip in my keto bread. But first of all, I had to cut them to shape because of the ramekin I was using. Cut it in round circles. Had to dip them inside the coffee. Then once I did that, I added a layer of the mixture, the tiramisu mixture of mascarpone and whipping cream. So what I didn't show you there is that I folded the mascarpone into the double whipping cream, mixed it all together, and then layered it. Added another layer of soaked keto bread that I made. So once I was done with that, I added another layer, and that's pretty much it. And once I was done with this, I dusted some coffee granules on top. And voila! Very straightforward and easy recipe. So time for the taste, the real taste. Let's have a taste. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. That's amazing, guys. And for someone that is doing keto and not being able to eat all the sweet stuff out there, this is amazing. This is a real go-to. This is something that would definitely satisfy your taste buds being on the keto or low carb diet. Let me know how it tastes. Let me know how you got on them. Take care. Bye.